Welcome to Anjai's Urja House, your partner in sustainable living. We're here to introduce our innovative 3 kilowatt solar panel system designed specifically for homes like yours. Our 3 kilowatt solar panel system is a comprehensive solution for generating clean energy right from your rooftop. Wondering if this system is right for you? Let's explore who can benefit most. This 3 kilowatt solar system is perfectly suited for 1 to 2 BHK homes, ensuring efficient power generation for smaller living spaces. It's also an ideal fit for small families, providing ample electricity to meet your daily needs. Now let's talk about the impressive power generation capacity of our system. Our 3 kilowatt system can generate approximately 10 to 13 units of electricity per day, providing a consistent energy supply. What can you power with this sustainable energy? Let's find out. This is sufficient to power essential household appliances like fans, lights, and refrigerators. It can also handle your television, washing machine, and many other common household electronics. Beyond powering your home, our solar system offers significant financial advantages. You can reduce your electricity bills by up to an impressive 90%, putting more money back in your pocket. Choosing solar isn't just good for your wallet, it's great for the planet. Contribute to a greener, more sustainable future by reducing your carbon footprint and embracing clean energy. Ready to make the switch? Contact Anjai's Urja House today to learn more and get your 3 kilowatt solar panel system installed.